Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Mansfield, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance shift requires a good search for trucks, a hustle to pack essentials, and a headache to safely shift your belongings to their destination. And that's not all. You will need to unpack your belongings and resettle them all over again, which may take days or even weeks to complete. Clients assume long-distance or international shifting is costly or time-consuming. It is next to impossible to handle expensive, delicate, or heavyweight items for such a long period. If you choose to hire a professional mover like 3 Movers, we are trained and have more than 20 years of experience in moving and packing services, and not only provide shifting, but also assist you in packing, unpacking, loading, unloading, and resettling your belongings. Moreover, we provide shifting at the most affordable prices, whether local, long-distance, international, domestic, or commercial. If you are moving to a nearby society or interstate locality, you may prefer to indulge in a shifting process with your loved ones, which can be time-consuming and a costlier experience for you. And even if it's a local move, the shifting process is still the same. So, it's always a better option to hire a professional mover like 3 Movers. We can help you move within the same day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mansfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.